Skill C. Determining reasons, purposes, and attitudes. 1. Campus life.
I'm interested in your course on Indian culture. Can you tell me about it, please?
Certainly. The course is 8 weeks long. There will be a midterm examination, a final exam, and 2 essays.
How do you determine the grades?
The final will account for 30% of your mark, the midterm is 15%, the first essay is 10%, and the second essay is 30%.
Let's see. 30, 15, 10, 30. That's only 85%.
The other 15% is based on your attendance and participation in the class.
It sounds interesting. I think I'll take it.
Number 1. What are the people mainly discussing? Number 2. What is the main point discussed by the professor? Number 3. What does the man mean when he says this?
I think I'll take it.